Come test drive the 2016 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, engine block heater, fog lamps, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.